Welcome back, old friend. What's up guys, it's BT here, and this is the review of the refreshed version of the greatest mouse of all time, the Logitech MX518 Hero Edition. Now, I've been playing PC games for what seems like forever, and the mouse that always stuck out to me from the past was the MX510, the original version of the MX518. One of the most comfortable mice ever made. Period, guys. I played countless CSGO, World of Warcraft vanilla, and Dota games with that mouse. So once they stopped making it, I was a little devastated, as you could imagine.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with.
So thus began my journey of going through mouse after mouse, trying to find one that could fill its shoes. But as you guys know, the gaming mice climate changed from one that was like about comfort to one about aesthetics, trying to be overly gamey, meanwhile leaving our hands cramped until now, until the hero refresh of the Logitech MX518. But how does it stack up against the rest of the field in 2019? Is it as comfortable as we all remember? Let's put it to the test today and find out. Now, the design of the mouse hasn't changed all that much. It's got the exact same legendary shape as the MX510, now with a silver coating that fades into black near the back of the mouse. It's glossy, but it's really grippy, and even after 4 hours of a gaming session, I never felt my hand slip once. Now, in the past, when you would use the original MX510, the coating would rub off near the fingertip area, so I'm hoping that won't happen now. I'll keep you guys posted on that, but Logitech has been pretty good about their coatings in the present day and age. On the bottom, you've got 3 mouse pad feet. You got one at the top, one at the bottom, and one on the side. They've also got a little one around the sensor as well. This mouse glides like butter on every mouse pad that I put it on, so it's not going to be an issue, guys. It's got 2 side buttons that are light but a little bit mushy in my opinion, and the back button feels a little bit more loose compared to the forward side button. The forward button is slightly smaller than the back button as well. The scroll spring feels a little bit cheap too compared to some of the newer mice on the market, especially when you click down on it. It feels like the mouse wheel could come out at some point, like come out of the socket or just become loose at some point. Again, we can only see and time will tell. Please believe I will let you guys know if anything happens to this mouse. Now, you've got 3 buttons along the top as well that can be customized in the new Logitech Hub software. 2 of these by default are DPI buttons. The cord is thin and stays out of the way. Logitech is definitely getting better about their cords. Let's just say that right now. Now, let's talk about what makes this shape so good. It's all in that thumb. This little groove right here. There's nothing better than it in gaming mice today. It's downright perfect if you are looking for an ergonomic palm grip mouse. It's got rubber grips on either side that has an amazing feel to it. The slope on the right side is very forgiving on the back side of your palm, whereas some mice, they have a hard fall off, which makes this mouse really comfortable. On the right side, they have a ledge to help you with picking up and controlling the mouse. For gaming though, this mouse is still a beast, guys. Nothing has changed from like 2010, I think it's 2000. I don't even know how long that mouse has been out for, but I find fingertip grip and claw grip very hard to do with this mouse because of the ledge and the thumb portion kind of get in the way. It's definitely more of like a palm grip, relaxed claw grip mouse in my opinion. The grip that works the best for this mouse is like a 1-3-1, where the thumb is on the left side, you got 3 fingers on top, and the pinky's on the right side. With all that being said, I am very accurate with this mouse. It took me a while to get used to since I've been kind of moving over to a fingertip grip lately as of late, but practicing in Kovacs made reverting back to a 1-3-1 a breeze. The hero sensor in this mouse is capable of going up to 16,000 DPI. I personally only use about 800 DPI. I didn't experience any spin outs or lift off distance problems with this mouse. The hero sensor is definitely my personal favorite mouse sensor at the moment. I don't think there's anything better in my opinion. Overall though, guys, the MX518 pretty much is what we expected it to be, that same amazing great shape of the original, now with that new Snappy Hero sensor. It does keep that same similar buttons to the older version, which is kind of disappointing, but me personally, I never really used the top 3 middle buttons except like push to talk maybe in Discord or in game. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this review. Thank you guys for watching. As always, it has been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.